Name all the parish. Okay, come.
Brownstone. Brownstone.
Brownstone is not a parish. Here, yeah.
Which one then?
Okay, you have Hanover. Hanover.
Someone else say one. No. That is right.
Boy, this is very concerning. Let me see the picture. So you have Hanover. You have St. Elizabeth. How the foreigner know and you don't know?
Huh?
How I know and you don't know?
Kyle Barney for me, that's why. No.
No.
In Jamaica. Where you live then? Canada. Where
Yeah.
they know?
Oh, God.
Jamaica.
You have St. James. Then you have what? After St. James is what?
Chilani.
Okay, after Trelawney is what?
Kingston.
Here, yeah. We reached Kingston so fast. After, come on, where are we going after Trelawney? Then you have, what is it, St. Anne? We reach St. Anne, Dana? St. Anne?
Yes, St. Anne.
And then St. Anne, if we were supposed to go down from St. Well, not really down, but what else? We're missing some parishes. Clarendon. Yeah, I'm trying to picture it. You have Clarendon. And then Stephen, you're not go get no cookies. No, I think. But you didn't say where my father is from.
Yeah, I don't know where your father is.
Him from Saint Mary.
So far, Auntie.
So far, Auntie. Here, yeah.
So far.
But I go tell your auntie. But I go tell her. Hold on. What? Yeah. Tyrone. Canada is not a parish.
Yes, they can't pin them now. I don't know. I mean, no, I don't know. Just come on, I don't know. I don't know.
You will know about what you know what they got.
But if they're not take to his statement, so what where you come from, I don't know you. Like a thief. But I got out, Mr. Me not left. Go out, Mr. Go out. Mr. Me not leaving. And that's why they run me out. Mr. Me just sit down to where they go do me. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You don't have no manners. And this, that, and devil knows what. And that's what they do it. Come. Come on.
Mommy, why does this remind me of the time when they hold me over station?
Don't be careful. Stop it. Don't stop it. Don't make things worse. Don't make things worse. Don't be a man. Don't make things worse. Don't be locking up. Don't be a man. Did you say that? Don't be careful yourself.
back. Hello. Then you have Munchie. And then you have Hot Girl Dana. What?
Jumping in